Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a clean install for Firestorm, or really any SL viewer, I would think. First thing you got to do is go to your control panel on a Windows 7. You have to set up your folders first. So you go to your control panel and go to folder options, and then view. In your advanced settings, you want to make sure show hidden files and folders and drives is checked, and then click apply. And then get out of that. Now you go to your documents, and down here under computer you go to your local disk, users, and then application data. In local, you will see Firestorm right there. You just right click it and delete that. In local, and then in Roman, there's Firestorm right there. Just right click it and delete it. Once you do that, you go to your recycle bin, empty it, and you can reinstall Firestorm.